Hi, this is Ken Goldman with MarineMax Fort Myers, and today I'm pleased to take you through the 2019 Boston Whaler Outrage 420. As you can see, this is a very impressive boat. Starting at the bow with a fully polished anchor. At 42 feet length overall, this boat is just incredible. As we approach the stern, you'll notice powered by quad Mercury Verado 350s. Built-in reboarding ladder, underwater lighting, and a portside dive door. Continuing on from the stern, you'll notice twin swim platforms. The previously mentioned portside dive door, which is not only handy for entering from the water, but also from a fixed pier. A large 4-passenger seat that folds out of the way. Another 2-passenger seat on the starboard side. Transom bait well. Amazing summer kitchen with Kenyan grill, twin refrigerators, and sink. When this is folded out of the way, you have seating for 3 more people, facing forward, along with triple captain's chairs, all power actuated. 3 Raymarine touchscreens, Mercury vessel view, digital throttle and shift, joystick piloting for outboards. This boat also includes a seakeeper, quite a bit of index storage, including 2 large fish boxes. Moving up to the bow, you get a sense of how big this boat is. Not only is it a fishing battle wagon, but also wonderful for entertaining. Up at the bow, you have seating around a table, which converts into a sun platform. You have a huge coffin box with storage underneath. The boat includes Raymarine radar. And as we enter the cabin, once again, you get an idea of the size and the amount of space here. Casual seating for you and half a dozen of your friends. Table folds down to give you space for an overnight. Significant amount of standing headroom. Small galley. Television. And a large walk-in head with hot and cold shower and vacuum flush head. This boat is truly the do-it-all machine. For more information, please contact us at MarineMax Fort Myers. We'll be happy to show you the boat.